President George Q. Cannon. Those who were here at our last conference will doubtless remember that there were 2 men selected to be presidents of Seventies, to fill 2 of the vacancies that existed. One of those men was Elder Theodore B. Lewis, whose name was submitted to the conference under the misapprehension that he was a 70. His name was handed in, as I understood it, to the 12 as a 70, among other names, and the 12, supposing that those who handed the names in would not do so if he were a high priest, never thought for a moment that he was anything but a 70. He was elected by the vote of the 12 to be one of the 7 presidents of the 70s, and his name was submitted to the conference. Afterwards, when the 12 proceeded to ordain him, as I am informed, the Spirit of God prompted the man who was mouth to ask Brother Lewis concerning his priesthood. Everybody present supposed he was a 70, but he stopped before commencing to ordain him and asked him this question. As he afterwards told me, he was influenced by the Spirit to do so, and it then transpired that Brother Lewis was a high priest. He had been a 70, but had been ordained a high priest. Now the prophet Joseph, in the early days of the organization of the 70s, when a number of high priests were put in the 70s, caused them to be transferred from the 70s to the high priest quorum. And it has been a standing rule in Israel from that time to this, that when a man has been ordained to the high priesthood, he ceases to act as a 70, and his connection with that body ceases. He is to all intents and purposes a member of the quorum of high priests, wherever that quorum may be. This explanation is due to the conference. It is due also to Brother Lewis, so that the Church may know what the reasons were that operated upon the mind of the apostles in First Presidency in causing the selection or election to be set aside. We would gladly have had Brother Lewis in that position, and he, doubtless, would have been very glad to fill it. But having regard for the rules of the priesthood, he could not consistently act in that capacity.